real classic. Sure.
Hey.
Something you need, Mom?
That's close enough, stranger. We're a peaceful farm. We don't want any trouble.
Hey, I'm friendly. Not looking to cause any trouble.
If you say so, but be warned, we're armed here, so don't try anything. Let me tell you, farming ain't easy. Out in the field all day, watching your back.
What kind of crops do you grow here?
Mostly potatoes so far, but we're starting on melons. Blake Abernathy. You new to the Commonwealth?
Yes. And no. It's a long story.
Either way, good to see a new face. How about you? Ever think about working the land?
I'll probably give it a try someday.
Well, good luck to you then. Maybe I'll see you at the Diamond City Market someday and we'll do a swap. Word of advice though, if you do start up a farm, be ready to deal with the raiders. Why do all the hard work when you can just take what you want at gunpoint?
Sounds like bad news to me.
You really are new to these parts. Best armed bastards in the Commonwealth. You have something they want, they won't hesitate to take it. Last time those raiders hit us, my daughter Mary tried to stand up to them. Now she's buried out back of the house. Only 21 years old, and they shot her down without a thought. That's why we need the Minutemen back. And the sooner, the better.
Minutemen?
So you know them then?
You mean
Any
Preston
idea why they haven't
Garvey's
been
crew?
around so much lately?
Still find confusing.
Most of them died. You're on your own now.
Feels like we've been on our own for a long time now. I just wish the Minutemen had been here when those raiders hit us. Maybe Mary would still be alive. I don't have much to offer, but those raiders that killed Mary, they took her locket too. It's been in Connie's family for generations. If you could get it back, it'd mean a lot to us.
I'll see what I can do.
Good. Connie feels like it's a part of Mary. I don't think she'll rest easy again as long as it's gone.
Coming to you from, the Jewel Green, the Green,
Here for work?
I mean,
We could use
the,
some help
the
picking
Great
melons
Green
if you've
Jewel
got some spare time.
of the Commonwealth.
I'll give you caps
It's
for any you can bring me.
Diamond City Radio.
Sure.
This next song is...
I got time to help out.
Great. Doesn't have to be now, but whenever you get the time.
And, oh boy.
Hi.
Yes.
Okay. Never mind.
New here? Well, if you've got anything worth trading, you can talk to me.
What have you got?
It ain't a lot, but I've got a few basic supplies. Ammo, meds, that sort of thing.
Ammo and meds. What kind of basic supplies are those?
Very basic. You want to survive out here? You need ammo and meds. So, you up for a trade or not?
Sounds good. What's a tato? Short for potato?
Let's just say it's the mighty, rad-resistant cousin of the tomato and potato. Potatoes, mutefruit, taberries. Things change to survive nuclear fallout. Get used to it.
How is the trade with Diamond City?
Good, when my husband actually gets around to doing it. That is, if no one raids the farm first. Why do you think I'm selling ammo and meds? You can't protect yourself? The Commonwealth will swallow you right up.
Can't say I've been to Diamond City yet.
Biggest city in the Commonwealth. Anything you need? Anything you want to know? That's the place to start.
I don't think so.
Great. Maybe next time you can get right to the point instead of wasting my time. I knew you would help us.